guys, so I'm starting with this already prepped and painted 32-ounce cup, and I painted it with Rust-Oleum Moss Green. It is such a stunning color. So just going in with some Mod Podge to do my leopard spots, and I'm doing one color of glitter at a time, so I'm just kind of making them more spread out than normal, just so I can leave room for other colors. And the thought was to do 3 different colored leopard spots as the base of the spot, and then do a darker color as like the kind of outline of the spots to give it that more camo feel and look. And this gold is just a pale gold. I think this one was from Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. Then using Peachy Olive Dream for the second color of spots. And I do like to let each color really fully dry before going with the next color of glitter. So that way you're not moving around that glitter or Mod Podge and you don't have to worry about them mixing or blending at all. Any colors in the kind of green or beigey families, even like a really dark brown would be really nice. So that's just the colors that I kind of kept it with. You could do whatever you like, but I really think that these colors that I chose really gave it that camo feel. So now just going in with a really dark green as my third color of spot. Then once those were all done, I went in with black onyx from Walmart to outline my spots, and I think this would look really nice with a dark brown. I didn't have one at the time, so I just went in with black, and I think it turned out really nice. So then once I finished all of the glitter, I went ahead and gave it a couple of coats of the Rust-Oleum Matte Clear Spray to seal that glitter in there. I also went in with a coat of the DIY Artisan Epoxy. So then I was adding some decals. I thought it would be really cute to put Stay Wild and do that in 2 different tones, the Wild in black and Stay in gold, and just kind of overlapping them slightly. I did 2 more coats of the DIY Artisan Epoxy to finish off this cup, and I think it really turned out super cute. I love these colors, and of course I love camo, and of course I love leopard. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.